Yep. It's counting up. Yeah.
Good. Look at everything. Show them where we're eating lunch. Joshua and Emerald said this would be a good place to eat lunch. What do you think?
Hey, Emerald.
We would have cried, wouldn't we? What did I say, 2.5 cups?
Yep.
There it goes.
You got crunch down there. You know it. You just don't want to show it. A little something I worked up.
Is it going?
Yeah.
Sure? That lids on.
There's a little cave over there.
Don't drop my phone. Here, hold on to that. Hey, hold on to it. The top is, it only films out the very top. I'm telling you, if you let go of that, it would hit that rock and bounce off of there. Just bounce.
Yes, sir.
And then if you were trying to go get it, you'd have to. Yeah, splash. Is it gonna rain?
I have no idea.
That was a big water drop, wasn't it?
I'm feeling some more.
Water fountain right there. Oh, y'all were zoomed in.
I zoomed in to look at your stove.
There they are. How's that for a good place to eat lunch?
Can you hear us?
Yes. A watch pot never boils. We're gonna have spaghetti and sauce. Wait a minute. Does that mean it doesn't have? Oh, vegetarian. It means it has no meat.
What?
We got moon pie though,
I don't.
and a Rice Krispie bar. What do y'all got? Chex Mix, Teddy Grahams, Rice Krispie bar, Rice Krispie bar. Okay, and spaghetti.